Hello friends! Today I'm going to read you this book. It's called My Fridge. Let's see what's in our fridge, my friends. Let's open it up. Milk comes from cows. Cheese comes from milk. Hooray for cows! And here's some milk on the shelf and some cheese. Oh, I know a lot of our friends like to bring in these cheeses for a snack. Oh, or these cheeses too. Oh, and yogurt also comes from milk, which comes from cows. Ice cream does too. Chickens give us eggs. Eggs give you energy. Thank you, chickens. There's a chicken. And here are some other things that are made with eggs. Let's see. Mayonnaise has eggs in it. That might be the only thing. So there's eggs and butter. Lots of things in this fridge though. I see jam and peanut butter and honey and almond butter and ketchup and salsa. Fruit is colorful and really yummy. Who sees their favorite fruit on this page? Let's see. We've got an orange, kiwis, grapes, melon, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. It's really hard for me to pick a favorite. I really like all of those fruits. Some fruits are big. Some are really tiny. So you have a big old pineapple and a giant watermelon. And here's an avocado, a pear, a mango, apples, and bananas. There's so much food in our yummy fridge. Protein makes you strong. So protein could be from, these might be beans. Protein can come from beans. Protein can come from meat and fish. Let's see, a ham and a steak and some, ooh, that looks like salmon. I know a lot of my friends like to eat salmon for lunch. There's some shrimp, some tofu, that has protein. And, oh, what's this? Black bean dip. Oh yes, beans. Nuts, hummus. Yummy. Those are great for protein. Vegetables are your friends. You can call them veggies just for fun. Wow, friends. Look at that face that they made with vegetables. I see a pea or a bean, mushrooms, a carrot, and a tomato for a smile. What else do they have in their fridge? They have tomatoes, eggplant, green beans, lettuce, carrots, mushrooms, and hot peppers. Spicy, spicy. Let's see what else is in our fridge. Can you imagine a forest made of veggies? Oh, here's a lot of green vegetables. I see cauliflower, broccoli, artichokes. I see dill and basil. Those are herbs. I see some ginger and some rosemary and spinach. Some lemongrass, cucumbers, and bok choy. Lots of different flavors and tastes. Breads can be salty. Breads can be sweet. What's your favorite kind? So here's some salty bread like a pretzel and some sweet like a cinnamon roll. Here's a baguette. I see some scones and muffins, banana bread, pita bread, bread for cutting into slices, tortillas for maybe if you want to make tacos or burritos. The freezer is the coldest place in here, just like the North Pole. A little penguin floating on an ice raft. So let's see, there's ice cubes in the freezer. There's popsicles, baby food, veggie burgers, ice cream, which we said comes from milk, and frozen fruit. And that's the end of our refrigerator adventure. So friends, I hope you guys look and see what healthy, yummy food you have in your fridge and make a really nice snack today. Bye-bye.